Let X denotes the number of ways of selecting at least one ball from a bag containing three identical red balls, and four identical blue balls, and five identical green balls. And Y denotes the number of ways in which the student will fail in an examination when he has write the examination five different subjects. Then the value of X plus Y is dash. Here is given X denotes the number of ways of selecting at least one ball from a bag containing three identical balls, and four identical blue balls, and five identical green balls. That is X is given, that is equal to X is equal three identical red balls, that is 3 plus 1, and four identical blue balls, that is 4 plus 1, and five identical green balls, 5 plus 1 minus 1, that is equal to 4 into 5 into 6 minus 1, that is equal to 4 into 5, 20, 20 into 6, 120, 120 minus 1 is equal to 119. And Y is given a student to write the examination. You write the examination five different subjects, and which a student fail in an examination, that is five different subjects, that is 2 to the power of 5 minus 1, that is equal to 2 power 5 is 32 minus 1, that is equal to 31. Therefore X plus Y is equal to 119 plus 31, that is equal to 150. This is the answer. If sine 2 theta plus sine 2 pi is equal to 1 by 2, and cos 2 theta plus cos 2 pi is equal to 3 by 2, then find the value of cos square of theta minus pi. Here is given first equation is sine 2 theta plus sine 2 pi is equal to 1 by 2. So squaring on both sides, that is sine square 2 theta plus sine square 2 pi plus 2 sine 2 theta sine 2 pi is equal to 1 by 4. And given second equation is cos 2 theta plus cos 2 pi is equal to 3 by 2. And squaring on both sides, that is cos square 2 theta plus cos square 2 pi plus 2 cos 2 theta cos 2 pi is equal to 9 by 4. Add these two equations, that is sin square 2 theta plus cos square 2 theta. This value is 1, and sin square 2 pi plus cos square 2 pi. That value is 1. Take 2 common, that is 2 into sin 2 theta sin 2 pi plus cos 2 theta cos 2 pi is equal to 1 by 4 plus 9 by 4, that is equal to 10 by 4, that is equal to 5 by 2. So here is 1 plus 1 2, that is 2 plus 2. This is cos A cos B plus sin A sin B, that is cos of A minus B, that is cos of 2 theta minus 2 pi is equal to 5 by 2. So take 2 common, 2 into 1 plus cos 2 into theta minus pi is equal to 5 by 2. 1 plus cos of 2 into theta minus pi is equal to 5 by 4. We know that the formula 1 plus cos 2 theta, that is 2 cos square theta, that is 2 cos square theta minus pi is equal to 5 by 4. Therefore, from this equation, cos square of theta minus pi is equal to 5 by 4 into 1 by 2, that is equal to 5 by 8. So cos square theta minus pi value is 5 by 8. Is equal to 2 sin beta sin gamma into cosec beta plus gamma, then dash. Here is given tan alpha is equal to 2 sine beta into sine gamma into cosec beta plus gamma, that is 1 by sine of beta plus gamma. So this is in the form of sine of a plus b, that is 2 sine beta sine gamma by sine of a plus b is sine beta cos gamma plus cos beta sine gamma. So therefore tan alpha is equal to, this is 2 by sine beta cos gamma plus cos beta sine gamma by sine beta into sine gamma, that is equal to 2 by, take partial fractions for this, that is sine beta cos gamma by sine beta cos gamma plus cos beta sine gamma by sine beta sine gamma, sine beta sine gamma. So here is sine beta cancel and sine gamma cancel. Therefore tan alpha is written as 1 by cot alpha is equal to 2 by cos gamma by sine gamma, that is cot gamma plus cos beta by sine beta, that is cot beta. So take cross multiplication, that is cot gamma cot plus cot beta is equal to 2 cot alpha. So cot gamma is 1 by tan gamma plus 1 by tan beta is equal to 2 by tan alpha. That means tan alpha comma tan beta comma tan gamma are in HP, arithmetic progression. Alpha, tan beta, tan gamma are in arithmetic progression. Here is from 2 by tan alpha means, that is tan gamma comma tan beta comma tan alpha are in arithmetic progression. Number of real roots of the equation sin power 2020x minus cos power 2020x plus 2019 is equal to 2020 in the interval minus 3 pi by 2 comma 5 pi by 2. Here is given relation is sin power 2020x minus cos power 2020x is equal to 2020 minus 2019, that is equal to 1. From this equation 2000 sin power 2020x is equal to 1 plus cos power 2020x. If this equation is satisfied for only sin power 2020x is equal to 1 and cos power 2020x is equal to 0. Because of sin power 2020x, that range is 0 to 1 and cos power 2020x is 1 plus something, that is 1 comma 2. So from these relations sin x is equal to pi by 2, cos x is equal to 5 by 2. Here is given relation is given interval minus 3 pi by 2, 5 by 2, that is x is equal to, so first relation is minus pi by 2 and pi by 2 and 3 pi by 2. These are the solutions of the given. If a square minus c square is equal to b into b minus c, comma root 2 into a is equal to 2b minus c and capital R is equal to 1 by root 3, then the value of small b value. So now we find small b value. Here is given a square minus c square is equal to, so b into b square minus bc, that is a square is equal to b square plus c square minus BC. From this, BC is equal to B square plus C square minus A square. So dividing by 2BC on both sides, BC by 2BC is equal to B square plus C square minus A square by 2BC. So 2BC, BC by 2BC, this value is 1 by 2, and B square plus C square minus A square by 2B, this is cos A. From this, angle A is equal to 60 degrees. So we know that A by sin A, from sine rule, A by sin A is equal to 2R. Here is small a by sin A, angle A is 60, that is sin 60 is equal to 2 into capital R value is given, that is 1 by root 3, that is 2 by root 3. A by sin 60, that is root 3 by 2 is equal to A by root 3. Here is root 3 cancelled. So 2A is equal to 2, A is equal to 1. This is the value of A. Now, given relation and second relation is given, that is root 2A is equal to 2B minus C. So squaring on both sides, that is 2A square is equal to 4B square minus 4BC plus C square. So 2A square, we know that A value is 1, that is 2 is equal to 4B common, that is B minus C plus C square. We know that this value B into B minus C from this equation, A square minus C square, that is 4 into A square minus C square plus C square. So here A value is 1, that is equal to 2 into 4 into 1 minus C square plus C square. So 2 is equal to 4 minus 4C square plus C square, that is 3C square is equal to 2. Therefore C square is equal to 2 by 3. C is equal to root over 2 by 3. This is the value of C. Now we find the value of A. From this relation, root 2A is equal to 2B minus C. So root 2 into A value 1, that is equal to 2B minus C, that is root over minus C, that is root over 2 by 3. From this, 2B is equal to root 2 plus root over 2 by root 3. Take root 2 common, that is 1 plus 1 by root 3. So 2B is equal to root 2 into root 3 plus 1 by root 3. So from this, B is equal to root 2 into root 3 plus 1 by 2 into root 3. Here is 1 root 2 cancelled. Therefore, the value of B is equal to root 3 plus 1 by, here is root 2 into root 3, that is root 6. This is the answer. So the value of B is root 3 plus 1 by root 6. If a triangle ABC is a non-isosceles triangle and angle C is equal to 90, then A square plus B square by A square minus B square into sine of A minus B is equal to dash. Here is given angle C is equal to 90 degrees. That means angle A plus angle B is equal to 90 degrees. So given equation, A square plus B square by A square minus B square into sine of A minus B is equal to, applying sine rule, for sine A, for A is equal to 2R sine A, that is 4R square sine square A plus B square, that is 4R square sine square B by small a square, this is 4R square sine square A minus 4R square sine square B into sine of A minus B. That is 4R square common and cancelled. From this, that is sine square A plus sine square B by sine square A minus sine square B into sine of A minus B. This is sine square A is written as 1 minus cos square A plus sine square B by sine square A minus sine square B, that is sine of A plus B into sine of A minus B into sine of A minus B. Here sine of A minus B, sine of A minus B cancel. That is equal to 1 minus, take minus comma, that is cos square A minus sine square B by sine of A plus B. That is equal to 1 minus cos square A minus sine square B, that is cos of A plus B into cos of A minus B by cos of sine of A plus B. We know that the value of A plus B is 90 degrees. That is 1 minus cos 90 into cos of A minus B by sine 90. Here is 1 minus cos 90, that is 1 minus 0 into cos of A minus B by sine 90 value is 1, that is 1 by 1, that is equal to 1. That is the answer. Any triangle ABC, cos square A by 2 plus cos square B by 2 plus cos square C by 2 is equal to dash. So cos square A by 2, we know that the formula 1 plus cos A by 2 plus cos square B by 2, that is 1 plus cos B by 2 plus cos square C by 2, that is 1 plus cos C by 2, that is equal to 1 by 2 common, that is 1 plus 1 plus 1, that is 3 plus cos A plus cos B plus cos C. In properties of triangle, we know this value cos A plus cos B plus cos C, that is equal to 1 plus small r by capital R. Remember this relation, cos A plus cos B plus cos C is equal to 1 plus small r by capital R. Substituting this value on that equation, 1 by 2 into 3 plus cos A plus cos B plus cos C, that is 1 plus small r by capital R, that is equal to 1 by 2 into 4 plus small r by capital R. So multiplying by 1 by 2, that is 4 by 2 is 2 plus small r by 2 capital R. This is the answer. Capital A 1 comma 1 comma 2 and capital B 4 comma 2 comma 1 and capital C 2 comma 3 comma 5 are the vertex of a triangle. Then a vector representing the median of a triangle passing through A. That is, here is given triangle ABC is given. This is triangle ABC. This is A 1 comma 1 comma 2 and B 4 comma 2 comma 1 and C 2 comma 3 comma 5. Here is asking vector representing the median through A. That is, median means passing through the midpoint of opposite side. This is the D. The coordinates of D is equal to 4 plus 2 by 2 comma 2 plus 3 by 2 comma 1 plus 5 by 2, that is equal to 4 plus 2 6 by 2, that is 3, 2 plus 3, that is 5 by 2, 1 plus 3 6 by 2, that is 3. This is the D bar vector, OD bar. Now we find OD bar, AD bar, equation of AD bar. AD bar is equal to OD bar minus OA bar, that is 3 minus 1, 5 by 2 minus 1, 3 minus 2, that is equal to 3 minus 1 is 2, 5 by 2 minus 1, that is 3 by 2, 3 minus 2, 1. This is AD bar. Now the vector equation of the median AD bar, R bar is equal to OA bar plus T into AD bar. So R bar is equal to OA bar, that is I bar plus J bar plus 2K bar plus T into AD bar, 2I bar plus 3 by 2 into J plus K bar. So take I common, that is 1 plus 2T plus J common, that is 1 plus 3 by 2 into T plus K common, 2 plus t. This is the vector equation of the median passing through A. Let A bar is equal to I bar minus 2j bar plus 3k bar, and B bar is equal to 2I bar plus j bar plus k bar. If C bar is a unit vector such that box A bar, B bar, C bar is maximum, then C bar is equal to dash. Now first we find A bar cross B bar, that is A bar cross B bar, that is I, J, K, 1, minus 2, 3, 2, 1, 1. That is equal to I into minus 2 minus 3. So minus j into 1 minus 6 plus k into 1 plus 4. That is equal to minus 5y plus 5j plus 5k. Now modulus of A bar cross B bar, that is equal to under root of 25 plus 25 plus 25, that is equal to 3 into 25, that is equal to 5 root 3. Here is given box A bar, B bar, C bar is maximum, and C bar is a unit vector. That means C bar, modulus of C bar is equal to 1. Therefore C bar is equal to A bar cross B bar by modulus of A bar cross B bar. A bar cross B bar, that is minus 5y plus 5j plus 5k by 5 root 3. Take 5 common, that is minus I plus j plus k by 5 root 3. Here 5 cancel, and C bar is equal to minus I plus j plus k by root 3. Shortest distance between the skew lines x minus 2 by 1 is equal to y minus 3 by minus 2 is equal to z plus 5 by 1 and x minus 1 by minus 1, y plus 2 by 3 is equal to z minus 4 by 2. Distance, the shortest distance between the lines is, so determinant of x2 minus x1, y2 minus y1, z2 minus z1, a1, b1, c1, and a2, b2, c2 by whole by under root of, so b1 c2 minus b2 c1, that is b1 c2 minus b2 c1 whole square plus a1 c2 minus a2 c1 whole square plus a1 b2 minus a2 b1 whole square. This is the shortest distance between the skew lines. Here is given the point x1, y1, z1 is equal to 2, 3, minus 5, and the second point x2, y2, z2 is equal to 1, minus 2, 4, and a1, b1, c1 is equal to 1, minus 2, 1, and a2, b2, c2 is equal to minus 1, 3, 2. Substituting these values in this formula, that is shortest distance between the skew lines, that is determinant of x2 minus x1, that is 1 minus 2, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 5, 4 plus 5, 9, and 1, minus 2, 1, minus 1, 3, 2, whole by under root of, this is minus 2 into 2, that is minus 4 minus 3, minus 4 minus 3 whole square plus 1 into 2, 2, 2 plus 1, 2 plus 1 whole square, plus 1 into 3, 3 minus 2, that is 3 minus 2 whole square. Now find the determinant of this, that is minus 1 into minus 4 minus 3 plus 5 into 2 plus 1 plus 9 into 3 minus 2 whole by minus 4 minus 3, that is minus 7 whole square, that is 49. 2 plus 1, 3, that is 3 square is 9. 3 minus 2 is 1, 1 square 1. So under root of 49 plus 9 plus 1, that is equal to minus 1 into minus 7, that is 7 plus 5 into 3, 15 plus 9 by root 59. So 7 plus 15, 22, 22 plus 9, 31, 31 by root 59. This is the shortest distance between the given skew lines. The mean deviation from the arithmetic mean of the discrete data 2, 7, 5, 6, 4, 3, 11, 17, 8. So number of values is given, that is n, that is equal to 9, and arithmetic mean am is equal to, that is 2 plus 7 plus 5 plus 6 plus 4 plus 3 plus 11 plus 17 plus 8 by total number of values, that is 9, that is equal to 2 plus 7, 9, 9 plus 5, 14 plus 6, 20, 20 plus 4, 24 plus 3, 27, 27 plus 11, 38, 38 plus 17, 55, 50 plus 8, 63. That is 63 by 9, that is equal to 7. This is the arithmetic mean. And mean deviation, m, mean deviation is equal to modulus of x bar am, x bar minus am, arithmetic mean by n, that is equal to 2 minus 7, modulus of 2 minus 7, that is modulus of 2 minus 7 plus modulus of 7 minus 7 plus modulus of 5 minus 7 plus modulus of 6 minus 7 plus modulus of 4 minus 7 plus modulus of 3 minus 7 plus modulus of 11 minus 7 plus modulus of 17 minus 7 plus modulus of 8 minus 7 by n. N value is 9. Modulus of 2 minus 7, the value is 5. Modulus of 7 minus 7, 0. Modulus of 5 minus 7, 2. Modulus of 6 minus 7, that is 1. 4 minus 7, 3. 3 minus 7, 4. 11 minus 7, that is 4. 17 minus 7, 10 plus 1 by 9. Therefore, mean deviation m is equal to 5 plus 2, 7 plus 1, 8 plus 3, 11. 11 plus 4, 15. 15 plus 4, 19. 19 plus 10, 29 plus 1, 30. 30 by 9. This is 3 times cancel, 10 times cancel, that is equal to 10 by 3. That is equal to mean deviation is equal to 3.33. That is the answer. The variance of the following frequency distribution is, here is class interval is given, that is 0 to 6. This is class interval Ci, and frequency f is given, that is class interval 0 to 6, frequency is 10. This is fi, so 6 to 12, that is frequency is 8, and 12 to 18, that is 6, and 18 to 24, that is 4, 24 to 30, that is 2. And now find xi, this is the mid value of class interval, 0 plus 6 by 2, that is 3, 6 plus 12, 18 by 2, that is 9, 12 plus 18, 30 by 2, that is 15, 18 plus 24 by 2, that is 21, and 24 plus 30, 54 by 2, that is 27. Multiplying these two, that is Fy into Xi, so 10 into 3, 30, 8 into 9, 72, 6 into 15, that is 90, 4 into 21, that is 84, 2 into 27, that is 54. Next you find the value of Xi square. This is the Xi. 3 square is 9, and 9 square 81, and 15 square 225, 21 square, that is 441, 27 square, that is 729. And find the value of Fy into Xi square. This is Fy into Xi square. 10 into 9, 90, 8 into 81, that is 648, and 6 into 225, that is 1350, 4 into 441, that is 1764, and 2 into 729, that is 1458. So here is sigma Fi. So find this the sum of this sigma Fi, that is 10 plus 8, 18 plus 24, 28, 30. This is sigma Fi is 30. And sigma Fi Xi, this value is 30, 72, 102 plus 90, 192, 192 plus 84 plus 54, that is 330. 330. This value is sigma Fi Xi. Now you find the total of Fy into Xi square. So add all these, that is 5310. This is the value of Fy Xi square. Now variance is equal to 1 by n into sigma Fy into Xi square minus sigma Fy into Xi by n whole square. This is the formula for variance, that is 1 by n, that is 1 by n is n, the value of n is 1 by 30, into sigma Fy Xi square, that is 5310, minus sigma Fy Xi. Sigma Fy Xi value is 330 by n is 30 whole square. Here is 3, 0, 0 cancel, 0, 0 cancel. Here is also 0, 0 cancel. This 3 11 times cancel. And this 3 is also, this 3, 5 1 time 23, 7 3s are 21, 7 3s are 21. That is 177 minus 11 square. 11 square value is 121. That is equal to 56. This is the variance of the capital A, capital B, capital C are the three events of a sample space, such that probability of B is equal to 3 by 2 into probability of A, and probability of C is equal to 1 by 2 into probability of B. Then which of the following is correct? Here is given, the first relation is given, probability of B is equal to, so 3 by 2 into probability of A. From this, probability of A is equal to 2 by 3 into probability of B, and probability of C is equal to given 1 by 2 into probability of B. So now we take probability of B is equal to X. Now we take probability of B is equal to taken as X. So probability of A is equal to 2 by 3 into probability of B, that is X, and the probability of C is equal to 1 by 2 into probability of B, that is X by 2. Probability of C is equal to X by 2 and probability of A is equal to 2 by 3X. Here is A comma B comma C are mutually exclusive events, that is intersection of that values all are 0. So that is probability of A intersection B is equal to probability of B intersection C is equal to probability of A intersection C is equal to probability of A intersection B intersection C is equal to 0, and the probability of A union B union C is equal to 1. That means probability of A union B union C is equal to 1 means that is equal to probability of A plus probability of B plus P of C is equal to 1. Probability of A is 2 by 3 into X. Probability B is X and probability C is 1 by 2 into X, that is equal to 1. Take LCM, that is 6. That is 4X plus 6X plus 3X is equal to 1. 6 plus 4, 13X is equal to 6. Therefore, X is equal to 6 by 13. This is the X value. X value is 6 by 13. Now we find probability of A. That is probability of A is equal to 2 by 3 into probability of B. That is 2 by 3 into X. That is X value is 6 by 13. That is 3 2 times cancelled. That is equal to 4 by 13. And the probability of C is equal to 1 by 2 into X. That is 6 by 13. So 2 3 times cancelled. That is equal to 3 by 13. And now we find probability of A intersection C. Probability of A intersection C is probability of A plus probability of C. That is equal to 4 by 13 plus 3 by 13 is equal to 7 by 13. That is, first option is correct answer. If E1, E2 are two independent events and a random experiment, if the probability of E1 is equal to 1 by 2 and the probability of E1 union E2 is equal to 2 by 3, then match the items list 1 to list 2. Here is given probability of E1 is given, that is probability of E1 is equal to 1 by 2, and probability of E2 is not given, that is probability of E2 is taken as X, and probability of E1 E2 are independent events, that is independent events means probability of E1 intersection E2 is equal to probability of E1 P of E1 into P of E2, that is P of E1 is 1 by 2 into X, that is X by 2. Here is given P of E1 E2, so P of E1 union E2 is equal to 2 by 3. P of E1 union E2 means P of E1 plus P of E2 minus P of E1 intersection E2 is equal to 2 by 3. P of E1, that value is 1 by 2. P of E2 X minus P of E1 intersection E2, that is X by 2 is equal to 2 by 3. So from this equation, X minus X by 2, that is X by 2 is equal to 2 by 3 minus 1 by 2, that is equal to 6 LCM. So 4 minus 3, that is equal to 1 by 6. Therefore X is equal to 1 by 3. That is probability of E2 X is 1 by 3. So that is probability of E is 1 by 2. So A is mapped to third relation. And probability of here is B option. This is the A value. Probability of E2 is 1 by 3. Now we find probability P of E1 by E2. So P of E1 by E2 is equal to P of E1 intersection E2 by P of E2 from base theorem. P of E1 intersection E2, that is X by 2, X value is 1 by 3, that is 1 by 6 by probability of E2, that is 1 by 3. So 3 2 times cancelled, that is equal to 1 by 2. P of E1 by E2 is equal to 1 by 2. So B is mapped to 4. And third one, this is B. And the third one C. C value is probability of E2 bar by E1. This is P of E2 bar E2 dash intersection E1 by P of E1. This is P of E2 intersection E1. This is from the set theory, that is P of E1 minus P of E1 intersection E2 by P of E1. So find this value that is equal to 2 by 3. So C is mapped to 1. And D, probability of P of E1 bar my union E2 bar. This is the D option. P of E1 bar E2 is, that is equal to, so P of E1 intersection E2 whole bar, that is equal to 1 minus P of E1 intersection E2, that is equal to 1 minus P of E1 intersection is x by 2, x value is 1 by 3, that is equal to 1 minus 1 by 6, that is equal to 5 by 6. If E1 comma E2 are two events of the sample space such that probability of E1 is given, that is probability of E1 is equal to 1 by 4, and probability of E1 by E2, that is 1 by 2, and probability of E2 by E1 is equal to 1 by 3, then we find probability of E1 by E2 bar. Here is given probability of E1. Probability of E1 is equal to 1 by 4. And probability of E1 by E2 is equal to 1 by 2. So probability of, first we find probability of E1 intersection E2. Probability of E1 intersection E2 is equal to probability of E1 into probability of E2 by E1. So probability of E1 is 1 by 4 into 1 by 2, that is equal to 1 by 4 into probability of E2 by E1 is 1 by 3, that is equal to 1 by 12. And probability of E2 by E1 and probability of E1 by E2 is equal to probability of E1 intersection E2 by P of E2. Probability of E1 E2, the E1 by E2 value is given 1 by 2 is equal to probability of E1 intersection is 1 by 12. 1 by 12 into 1 by probability of E2, that is P of E2. From this equation, P of E2 is equal to 1 by 6. Now we find probability of E2 bar. E2 bar is equal to 1 minus P of E2, that is equal to 1 minus P of E2 is 1 by 6, that is equal to 5 by 6. Now we find probability of P of E1 by E2 bar, that is equal to, this is the formula, probability of E1 minus P of E1 intersection E2 by P of E2 bar. P of E1, that is P of E1 is 1 by 4 minus P of E1 intersection E2, that is 1 by 12 by P of E2 bar. P of E2 bar, that value is 5 by 6. That is, take LCM, this is 12. So 3 minus 1 by 12 by 5 by 6. That is 3 minus 1, 2 by 12 into 6 by 5. 2 6 times cancel, 6 6 cancel, that is equal to 1 by 5. Therefore, probability of E1 by E2 bar, that value is 1. A random experiment is conducted 5 times. If the number of success of the experiment follows binomial distribution such that a difference of mean and variance of the successes is 5 by 9, then the probability of getting at most 2 successes, that is at most 2 successes, means P of x is less than or equal to 2. That means P of x is equal to 0 plus P of x is equal to 1 plus P of x is equal to 2. Now we find this value. Given data in the problem is a random experiment is conducted 5 times. that is n is given, small n, that is 5, and the difference between the mean and variance in binomial distribution, that means np minus npq is equal to 5 by 9. So take np common, that is 1 minus q is equal to 5 by 9. So here n value is 5p into 1 minus q value is also phi, that is equal to 5 by 9. 5 cancelled. Therefore p square is equal to 1 by 9. P is equal to 1 by 3. And now find q. Q is equal to 1 minus p, that is equal to 1 minus 1 by 3, that is equal to 2 by 3. So n value is 5 and p value is 1 by 3 and q value is 2 by 3. Now we find the required probability, that is p of x less than or equal to 2, that is equal to p of x is equal to 0. That means phi c 0. So 1 by 3 whole to the power of 0 comma into 2 by 3 whole to the power of 5 plus p of x is equal to 1, that means phi c1 1 by 3 whole to the power of 1, 2 by 3 whole to the power of 4. P of x is equal to 2, that means phi c2 1 by 3 whole square into 2 by 3 whole cube, that is phi c0 value is 1, 1 by 3 whole power 0 is 1, 2 by 3 whole power 5, 2 power 5, that is 32 by 3 to the power of 5, that is 243, plus phi c1 value is 5, 1 by 3 into 2 by 3 whole power 4, that is 2 power 4, so that is 16 by 81, plus phi c2 value is 10 into 1 by 3 whole square, that is 1 by 9, 2 cube, that is 8 by 3 cube, 27, that is equal to, so 32 by 243 plus 5 into 16, 80, 80 by 243 plus 10 into 8, 80 by 9 into 27, 243. So take 243 LCM, 243, 80, 80, 160 plus 32, that is 192, 192 by 243. Cancel this, 3 cancel, 6 3s are 6 4s are, that is 64 by 243, 8 3s are 8 1s are, that is equal to 64 by 81. The value of 64 by 81. This is the value of required probability, that is p of x less than or equal to 2. For a real variable a greater than 1, consider the points ak. Ak is equal to ka comma a power k, ka comma a power k, where k is equal to 1 to up to dash dash n in the Cartesian plane. If alpha and beta represents respectively the arithmetic mean of x coordinates and the geometric mean of y coordinates of ak, then the locus of the point alpha. Here is the point ak is given, that is ak is equal to ka comma a to the power of k, where k is equal to 1 comma 2 comma 3 up to dash dash n, and x is given here, arithmetic mean of the x coordinates, this is given alpha, that is alpha is equal to, arithmetic means 1 into a plus 2 into a plus 3 into a plus up to dash dash n into a by arithmetic means, that is en. So take a common, that is equal to a common 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus up to dash dash n whole by n, that is equal to a into n plus 1 by 2n. Here is n cancelled, therefore alpha is equal to a into n plus 1 by 2. From this equation, a is equal to 2 alpha by n plus 1, and geometric mean of y coordinates is given beta, that is beta is equal to geometric mean, that is a into a power 1 a square a cube plus up to dash dash a to the power of n whole to the power of 1 by n. This is the geometric mean of the y coordinates. So here is, so a to the power of 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus up to dash dash n whole to the power of 1 by n, that is equal to a to the power of n into n plus 1 by 2 into 1 by n. This n cancelled, that is equal to a to the power of n plus 1 by 2. This is beta value. Beta is equal to a to the power of n plus 1 by 2. From the first equation, we know that the a value, this is a value 2 alpha by n plus 1. Substituting in this, from this, beta square is equal to a to the power of n plus 1. So beta square is equal to a, that is 2 alpha by n plus 1 whole to the power of n plus 1. Now find locus of alpha comma beta is equal to is, so beta square replacing by y, that is y square is equal to alpha replacing by x, 2x by n plus 1 whole to the power of n plus 1. Y square is equal to 2x by n plus 1 whole to the power of n plus 1. This is the locus of the given p alpha comma beta. Shifting the origin to the point 2 comma 3, then the rotating the coordinate axis through an angle theta in the counterclockwise direction. The equation 3x square plus 2xy plus 3y square minus 18x minus 22y plus 50 is equal to 0 is transformed to 4x square plus 2y square minus 1 is equal to 0. Then the angle theta is equal to dash. That means in this equation, xy term is missing. In this equation, xy term is missing. That is, xy term is missing means theta is equal to tan inverse of 2h by a minus b. 2h by a minus b. Here is given origin shifted to the point, that is h comma k is given. H comma k is equal to 2 comma 3, and axes are rotated through an angle theta in counterclockwise direction. That is, theta is given, angle is given theta. Therefore, small x is equal to h plus capital X cos theta minus y sin theta, and small y is equal to k plus x sin theta plus y cos theta. So substituting these values in this given equation, that is 3x square plus 2xy plus 3y square minus 18x minus 22y plus 50 is equal to 0. So here is x value is, h value is 2 plus capital X cos theta minus y sin theta, and y value is k, that is 3 plus capital X sin theta plus y cos theta. Substituting these values in this equation, so that is 3 into x square, that is 2 plus x cos theta minus y sin theta whole square plus 2 into 2 plus capital X cos theta minus y sin theta plus 3 plus x sin theta plus y cos theta plus 3 into y square, that is 3 plus x sin theta plus y cos theta whole square minus 18 into x minus 22y plus 50 is equal to 0. In this equation, we find out the x square coefficient, that is x square coefficient is, coefficient of x square is, a value is 3, and coefficient of y square, that is b value is 3. Substituting these values in this formula, that is theta is equal to half tan inverse 2h by a minus b, that is 3 minus 3, that is half into tan inverse of 2h by 3 minus 3 is 2h by 0. So 2h by 0 value is infinity, half into tan inverse of infinity, that is tan inverse infinity value is pi by 2. Therefore theta is equal to 1 by 2 into pi by 2, that is pi by 4. This is the answer. The value of theta is pi by 4. Equations of the sides. The equations of the sides AB, AC and BC of a triangle ABC are x minus 3y is equal to 0 and 3x minus y is equal to 0, x plus y plus 4 is equal to 0. If P comma Q are the points on the line 3x minus y plus k is equal to 0, passing through B, such that PB is to BQ is equal to 1 is to 1, then the value of k is dash. Here is given AB, AC, BC equations are given, triangle ABC. AB equation is x minus 3y is equal to 0, this is first equation, and 3x minus y is equal to 0, second one, x plus y plus 4 is equal to 0, this is the third equation. So here the point line 3x minus y plus k passing through the point B, that is solving the equations AB and BC. Solve AB equation comma BC equation. So solve these two equations, we get the value B, that is first equation x is equal to 3y, and substituting third equation, that is 3y plus y plus 4 is equal to 0, that is 4y plus 4 is equal to 0, y plus 1 is equal to 0, y is equal to minus 1. So substituting y is equal to minus 1, that is x is equal to minus 3. So therefore the point B is minus 3 comma minus 1. The given line 3x minus y plus k is equal to 0 passes through this point B minus 3 comma minus 1. Substituting the point, that is 3 into minus 3 minus of minus 1 plus k is equal to 0. Minus 9 plus 1 plus k is equal to 0, that is k minus 8 is equal to 0. K is equal to 8. The value of k is 8. Capital A 1 comma 1 and capital B 1 comma minus 1 and capital C minus 1 comma 1 be the vertex of triangle ABC. Let S be the circumcenter and O be the orthocenter and I be the incenter of the triangle ABC. Then find IS plus OS. Here is S is given circumcenter and O is orthocenter and I be the incenter. Then we find the value of I into IS plus O into S. So here is the triangle is given, that is the triangle capital A, that is this is capital A 1 comma 1 and capital B 1 comma minus 1 and capital C minus 1 comma 1. So first we find orthocenter. Orthocenter is equal to, so the vertex forms a right angle triangle, that is orthocenter is repeated x coordinate comma repeated y coordinate, that is repeated x coordinate is 1 and repeated y coordinate is 1. 1 comma 1 is the orthocenter of the triangle. And the circumcenter is the midpoint of hypotenuse. This is the midpoint BC, midpoint of hypotenuse, that is 1 minus 1 by 2 comma minus 1 plus 1 by 2, that is 0 comma 0. This is the circumcenter. And in center I is equal to, using this formula, ax1 plus bx2 plus cx3 by a plus b plus c comma ay1 plus by2 plus cy3 by a plus b plus. Here the value a is distance of BC, that is BC distance is the root of 1 plus 1 whole square, that is 4 plus 4, that is equal to 2 root 2. And B distance is AC distance, that is 2 and small c value is AB distance, that is AB distance is 2. Substituting these values in center, we get in center I is equal to root 2 minus 1 comma root 2 minus 1. Now we find I into S plus OS, that is I is root 2 minus 1 comma root 2 minus 1. S circumcenter is 0 0, that is under root of x square plus y square, that is root 2 minus 1 whole square plus root 2 minus 1 whole square plus OS, the distance from orthocenter to circumcenter, that is 1 square plus 1 square, that is root 2 minus 1 whole square, that is equal to, so 2 into root 2 minus 1 whole square plus 1 square plus 1 square is root 2. Take root 2 common on both, that is root 2 into root 2 minus 1 whole square is root 2 minus 1 plus 1. Here is 1 cancelled, that is root 2 into root 2, that is equal to 2. Root 2 into root 2 is root 2 whole square, that is equal to 2.